Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. How are you, beta?
Ma'am.
All are well and safe?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, what we have to do today?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Chapter number 2 of geography. Good afternoon, beta. Okay, so how was your lecture?
Question number 2, geography.
Yes, chapter number 2, chapter number 1, geography, beta.
Oh,
Chapter
मुझे
number
लगा ma'am.
page number 4.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Chapter 1 of geography.
ma'am, you
Yes.
send chapter
Yes,
number
ma'am.
12 because I do not have book of geography.
Beta,
Ma'am.
you don't have geography book.
मैम आप कब कराओगे एक्सरसाइजेस आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन? हाँ मैम, चैप्टर 1 का आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन
When our
Yes,
explanation is complete. Okay?
चैप्टर 1
मैम आज आप जियोग्राफी के क्वेश्चन आंसर की पीडीएफ भेजोगे ना मैम?
No, beta. Firstly, we will complete our explanation with worksheet. Okay, with worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Listen me, beta. In your worksheet, there is a question related to your topic. Topic you will read today.
लास्ट में पीडीएफ भेजोगे ना बस?
Yes, beta. At the last, we will send you the PDF. Okay, for correct.
मैम आज हम क्या करेंगे? नंबर बोल because I do not have book.
Okay.
मम्मी मैम आज हम क्या करेंगे?
With
आज हम क्या करेंगे? मैम फिनिशिंग you will send PDF. क्या करेंगे?
beta. Listen, everyone, be ready for Gayatri Mantra. Everyone, be ready for Gayatri Mantra. On your video, everyone. On your video, beta. Everyone, on your video and ready for the Gayatri Mantra. Everyone. Okay. Everyone, close your eyes. Join your hands. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, and start. Om Bhur Bhuvah Devitu Hargo
देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्
Swaha Now rub your hand, everyone. Everyone, for the exercise. Now hold your ear, everyone. Hold your ear. Pull it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, done. Now, I'm giving the name. Who will give the thought of the day? Radhe Mirja. You write thought of the day in chat box. Here is Tamanna's and Delphi's thought. Education is most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Yes, the perfect thought for the day. Education is the most powerful weapon. It means शिक्षा आपके पास एक ऐसा हथियार है जिससे आप पूरी दुनिया को बदल सकते हो. Okay. So now What is the thought of the day? Education is most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Okay. So now here are 41 students. Okay. Okay, beta. So now today we will start reading chapter 1 on page number 4. But before starting it, I am going to ask the oral revision of previous lecture, and you can also check the answer of worksheet on page number 20. Okay, I will share the screen, beta. Just a minute. Okay, I am going to ask the question. You have to give answer. Okay, so firstly, we will read just a minute. Okay, so now firstly we will read this question. I am going to explain you this part. Do you know on your page number? Do you know word origin and do you know again, which is given below the word origin. Okay, it will help you to solve the question and answer or find out the answer of on page number 20. Okay, so let's see what is given here. Do you know soul, S-O-L, soul in Roman mythology? See, soul in Roman mythology is the sun god. It means soul means sun god. Okay, and solar means related to the sun. Okay, what is the meaning of solar mean? What is the meaning of solar? Solar means related to the sun. In Roman mythology, soul means sun god. Okay, and the family of the sun is therefore called solar system. Okay, system means family. So solar system, it means the family of sun. It means the people who related or things which related to the sun. Okay, so solar means related to the sun. Soul means sun god. Solar means related to the sun. Okay, now the family of the sun is therefore called the solar system, and we can make this type of words many. Now see here, word origin. Now many words used in language may have been taken from some other languages. As you know, which many words which we use in our languages, some of them are taken from the other language, just like as a geography. Okay, geography is a word of English. It has its origin in Greek. Okay, but इसका origin Greek language में हुआ था. Okay, and which related to the description of the earth. Okay, geography means description of the earth. It is made up of two Greek words. Okay, geography is made up of two Greek words. First is geo. Okay, first is G-E-G, it meaning earth. G-E-G means earth, and graphia means writing. Okay, graphia means writing. See, again, G-E-G. G meaning is earth. Okay, and graphia meaning is writing. Graphia meaning is writing. It means geography is made up of two Greek words, G-E-G, that means earth, and graphia means writing. Okay, find out more about the earth. We can also find out about more the words which related to G. Okay, so we can add geo, G-E में O लगा के G. GEO का geography, geography. Okay, it's called the geography, but it's a G. GEO means G. Okay, if we will add G plus logy, it's become geology. Okay, and geology meaning is study of the earth. Okay, geology. When we add GEO plus LOGY, geology, it's become the geology, and meaning of geology is study of the earth. Okay, now geometry, GEO, geo, METRY, metry, geometry, measurement of the earth. Geometry meaning is measurement of the earth. Okay, now here is geoid, geoid, GEO, GOID, oid. Geoid means GEO और OID को जब हम प्लस करेंगे then it's become geoid. Geoid means resembling the shape or form of the earth. Resembling means हम अर्थ की शेप को किसी भी चीज से कनेक्ट करके समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि अर्थ की शेप किस चीज से मिलती है. Resembling. Okay, और we try to understand the formation of earth, कि अर्थ जो है वो कैसे बना था. Okay, have you any doubt till here beta? Have you any doubt till here? Screen is not visible? Beta, screen is not visible? No? Let me check, just a minute. Now you are seeing the chat box? Screen is visible? Visible. Some is saying visible. Okay, so maybe you have a problem beta. Those you are not able to see, you check your setting. And textbook also visible when I show you the textbook. Textbook also visible. Okay beta. Shubham, what happened beta? Have you any doubt, Shubham? Just a minute, Shubham. What happened, Shubham?
मैम आप वर्कशीट की PDF कब भेजोगे मैम? मुझे उसमें से कोई नहीं आ रहे थे ना, तो मैंने रख दिए मैम.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, मैं अभी एक्सप्लेन भी करूंगी, वापस आपसे क्वेश्चन भी पूछूंगी, देन यू कैन राइट. ओके, बट डोंट वरी, आई विल सेंड यू द PDF इन द लास्ट, क्योंकि एक एक पेज भेजने में हो जाएगा. एक साथ भेजूंगी, देन यू विल कंप्लीट.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
वेलकम बेटा. Okay, so now I'm again going to share the screen of textbook. Okay, now we have one more paragraph here. Do you know humans have always been fascinated gazing at the night sky? Fascinated means curious. It means humans always is curious to know about the brightening objects in the night sky. We always want to know how these are brightening, how they are, why they are so far towards the stars or moons, how they formed. Okay, so some people started to read or understand these celestial bodies. So people who understand or read about these celestial bodies and their movements. Celestial bodies means brightening or shining object of the night sky, known as the astronomer. It means astronomers are those people who studied or understand the movement of the celestial bodies. Okay, and Aryabhatta was a famous astronomer of ancient India. Okay, Aryabhatta was the ancient. Ancient means so old. He was in the past time, a person who was studied or understand the movement of the celestial body and tell us about the other people. He was the Aryabhatta in ancient time. Okay, and he said that moon and planets shine due to reflected sunlight. It means he declared that moon and planets do not have their own light. They reflect it with the sunlight. Today, astronomers all over the world are busy to exploring the universe. And today, the present astronomers, what are the work of present astronomers and in which they are busy? Actually, in present time, the astronomers are busy to explore the universe. Universe means how this space, how this universe was created. Okay, and how the planet was formed, what happened on that time, which after then the all planets and solar system was created, and if we have any other solar system in our universe like as our universe like as our solar system, जैसा हमारे पास solar system है in which our all planets are there, वैसा क्या और भी किसी के पास, और as you know that sun is our star, तो दूसरे स्टार्स के पास भी हो सकता है ऐसे प्लैनेट हो, ऐसे सोलर सिस्टम हो. तो इस तरीके से बहुत सारे चीजें जो है विच आर द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ एक्सप्लोरिंग. सो अवर एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स आर बिजी टू नो अबाउट द यूनिवर्स, नो अबाउट इट्स ओरिजिनेशन, कि कब कैसे किस तरीके से यूनिवर्स बना था, एंड ऑल द थिंग्स विच वी आर सीइंग इन अवर नाइट स्काई, हाउ दे फॉर्म्ड, हाउ दे इफेक्ट ऑन अवर लाइफ. ओके, सो astronomers are those people who learn about the movement of the learn about the celestial bodies and their movements. Okay, done everyone? Have you any doubt in astronomers? Have you any doubt, beta? Yes or no? बेटा जब स्क्रीन शेयरिंग होती है ना, तब आप मुझे नहीं देख सकते, सिर्फ आप वो बुक की पेज ही देख पाओगे. Which heavenly body is included in the solar system? Hence, this is planet, moon, which are known as the satellite. Okay, planet, moons, and other heavenly bodies like Pluto, Ceres 13, 2013. Pluto is also a heavenly body, but now it exists from the solar system. Okay, but our planet, planets, sun and 8 planets and their moons and other heavenly bodies makes our solar system. Okay. Okay, beta. I'm going to ask the question of your worksheet. Okay, I'm going to ask the question of your worksheet. Okay, you can give the answer and write your answer from in your worksheet. You can check it. Okay, so now everyone, you have to give the answer. Solar means, write the meaning. Page number 20, solar system. The topic is solar system, sun, planet, earth, moon. Okay, the first question is solar means. Solar means, yes, hence related to sun. Solar means related to sun, not heat beta. Related to sun. अभी हमने लेफ्ट साइड में पेज नंबर 4 पे सोलर की मीनिंग पढ़ी थी. Sol means sun and solar means related to sun. Everyone check your answer in worksheet beta. First answer is solar means related to sun. Everyone check your answer, related to sun. Now next question, what is meant by solar system? Family of the sun. Yes, solar system means family of the sun. Family of the sun. Family of the sun. Yes, solar means family of the sun. Okay. Now third is name the heavenly bodies included in the solar system. Name the heavenly bodies included in the solar system, planets. You have to write sun. Firstly, you have to write sun, 8 planets, their moons, and other heavenly bodies makes our solar system. What happened, Jogindra, of your video, beta? Okay, done? Done this? Yes. Now, fourth is, who is an astronomer? Who is an astronomer? Shubham, beta, ये worksheet के ही answer है. You have to correct your answer. You can do it right now. Yes. Who is an astronomer? Those who study the celestial bodies and their movement, known as the astronomer. बेटा आगे आगे आंसर नहीं देना है. Okay. Firstly give the answer which is going on. That who is an astronomer? Please Bhalodia.
Ma'am, I doubt in chapter first, second page, ma'am. Only one page of chapter first, second, ma'am. वर्कशीट का मैम व्हाट, वेयर, हाउ एंड व्हेन वाला चैप्टर है ना, उसका सेकंड और थर्ड पेज मैम.
बेटा आई हैड सेड द पीडीएफ.
मैम आपने इसकी पीडीएफ भेजी है?
यस, हिस्ट्री की पीडीएफ मैं सेंड कर चुकी हूँ बेटा.
ओके मैम, मैं देख लूंगा.
यस,
थैंक यू मैम.
ओके, वेलकम बेटा. नाउ next question is, what is an astronomer? People who studied about the celestial bodies and their movement, known as the astronomer. Okay. Now next question is, mention. Sorry, sir. Next page. Name a famous astronomer of ancient India. Okay. Now give the name of famous astronomer of ancient India. Who was the famous astronomer of ancient India? Aryabhatta. Yes, correct answer. Aryabhatta. Dhruvi, I will give you this answer after completion of all the member of the planet solar system. Okay, you will get this answer between this. Okay. And I will also explain you at the last when we will read about the moon, asteroids. Okay, beta, then I will give you this answer. Because it will come in this topic. Okay. Okay, Dhruvi. Okay, just a minute, Kruti. Firstly, we will complete this, then I will unmute you, Kruti. Okay, beta? Otherwise, it will take time. Then I will listen you, beta. Definitely, I will listen you. Okay. Now, fifth number is, how far is the sun from the earth? How far is the sun from the earth? How far is the sun from the earth? Not only 150 kilometer, beta. It's wrong. It's wrong. 150 kilometer, it's wrong. 150 million kilometer. Yes, now it's correct. 150 million kilometer. 150 million kilometer is the correct answer. If you will write 150 kilometer, it will wrong. You have to write 150 million kilometer. Okay, now next is name the planet which exists. Sorry, it's a seventh number. Now sixth question, why is the sun considered the center of the solar system? Beta, question is firstly which is going on. Firstly, listen this beta. Otherwise, you will always have a doubt about the worksheet. Why is the sun considered the center of the solar system? Everyone, give this answer, beta. Because sun is the head of our solar system. All the planets move around it and gets heat and light from it. Okay. Now 7th is name the planet which exists in the solar system. Yes, because sun is head of all. No. Exist यानी जिसे बाहर निकाला गया हो. Yes, धारा, correct. Pluto. Name the planet which exists in the solar system. Which exists in the solar system. Yes, it is Pluto. Okay, now next question is the planet move around the sun in dash orbit. The planet move around the sun on dash orbit. Yes, fixed. Correct, Hansi. Fixed orbits. Okay. Now 9th number question. 9th number, why is the planet Venus known as the Earth twins? Why is the planet Venus known as the Earth twins? Known as the Earth twins. Why is the planet Venus known as the Earth twins? Same size, okay? No जिया, because it is hottest planet. इसकी वजह से उसे अर्थ का ट्विंस नहीं कहते. अर्थ का ट्विंस मीन्स सिमिलर टू, जुड़वा, अर्थ की जुड़वा. जैसे हम ट्विंस होते हैं, बच्चे ट्विंस होते हैं, आपस में एक दूसरे जैसे होते हैं. Yes, Dhara is correct. Because its size and shape is very similar to the earth. Yes, Janil, also add shape also. Shape and size similar to the earth. Because its shape and size is very similar to the earth. Okay? Planet Venus is known as the twins of earth because its shape and size very similar to the earth. What happened, Kruti? No, I'm asking about this message you wrote here. If you will send messages, so my mother will call to Hardik sir. What happened, beta? Kruti? Okay, I'm going to unmute you. What is going with you? Just a minute, Kruti. Yes, beta.
मैम वो है ना अभय है ना, वो सब आप कहते हैं ना जो क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं ना, उस सब का आंसर है ना मुझे प्राइवेट में भेजते हैं. अभय, राशेष, तेजस्वी एंड श्रेया. मैम श्रेया एंड ज्योतिंद्र भी भेज रहे थे.
श्रेया एंड ज्योतिंद्र भी. ओके बेटा, उसकी एक स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर आप मुझे पर्सनल जो मेरा व्हाट्सएप है उस पे सेंड करना. ओके
ओके मैम.
Nobody will send the private messages beta during the lecture. Okay, otherwise I will take the action and I will not give you the marks of discipline. You know that you have a 5 marks of discipline. Okay, so nobody will send the private messages during the lecture.
मैम अब है ना मैम वो स्टिकर बैठता है बाय बाय सी या लेटर मैम इसमें मैम हर रोज बैठता है मैम.
Nobody will send the private. Okay beta, and who is saying bye? Kunj. If you are leaving, don't disturb to other beta. Okay, nobody will send here the sticker of bye and see you later. Okay, Kunj, you send it many times beta. Okay, we have to start now. So now you have completed. Now here is the next question. The planet dash is known as the dwarf planet. Which planet known as the dwarf planet? Pluto. Okay, correct answer. Pluto beta. Ceres को कभी भी planet नहीं कहा गया था. Pluto was in planet category, but now it's called as dwarf planet. Okay. When I was student, I learned about the 9 planet in which Pluto was the 9th number. But now it's existed from our solar system and known as the dwarf planet. Now what is the term used to describe the shape of the earth? Shape of the earth. What is the term? Geoid. Geoid beta. Geoid. जो लेफ्ट साइड में लास्ट पैराग्राफ है डू यू नो के नीचे जो डू यू नो है उसमें जियोइड. यस आर्या, जियोइड इज द टर्म वी सेड दैट टू रीड अबाउट द शेप ऑफ द अर्थ और डिस्क्राइब द शेप ऑफ अर्थ. जियोइड. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द अर्थ इज ऑल्सो नोन एज ब्लू प्लैनेट. व्हाई? The earth is also known as blue planet. Why? Give the answer. The earth is also known as blue planet. Why? Because it has water on 2/3 part. No beta, because of presence of water on 2/3 part. Yes, when we see from the outer space, our earth looked as in blue color because of presence of water. As you know, the reflection of sky in water seems blue. जब वाटर में स्काई का रिफ्लेक्शन होता है वाटर सीम्ड लाइक एज अ ब्लू एंड इट इज कवर्ड विद वाटर ऑन 2/3 पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ. सो फ्रॉम द आउटर स्पेस आवर अर्थ लुक लाइक एज अ ब्लू प्लैनेट. व्हाट हैपन रसेश बेटा? वी हैव टू ऑल्सो रीड द न्यू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. वेयर इज रसेश? यस बेटा.
मैम.
यस.
हेलो मैम.
यस
मैम
बेटा
मैंने
बोलो.
श्रुति को एक भी पर्सनल मैसेज नहीं भेजा है.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, अगर नहीं भेजा है तो स्क्रीनशॉट में आपका नाम नहीं आएगा. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. और अगर भेजा होगा तो आएगा. ओके.
और मैम
नाउ वी यस बेटा.
मैम मेरा मोबाइल थोड़ा सा अभी चल नहीं रहा है ना, इसलिए कुछ भी हो जाता है इसमें.
Okay, I will see what we have to do. Okay, but CCB बड़े पेरेंट्स से दिखाकर इसकी सेटिंग को ठीक कर लो. अदरवाइज मोबाइल की शॉप पे जाकर जब भी ओपन होगा इसे ठीक करवा लो. ओके बेटा. Okay, now we will start reading. Okay, then next paragraph, the earth. Okay, So I'm going to share with screen. I'm going to share screen with you. Okay, Kruti, you start reading the earth on page number 4.
Yes, ma'am. I am starting the reading. Ma'am, page number 4, the Earth. Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the poles. That is why its shape is described as a joint. Joint means Earth-like a shape. Condition favorable to support life and probably found only on Earth. The Earth is neither too hot and nor too cold. It has water and air, which are very essential for our survival. The Earth has life-supporting gases like oxygen. Because of this reason, the Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. From the outer shape, the Earth appears blue because its two-third surface is covered by water. It is therefore called a blue planet.
Okay, beta. So let me explain firstly. So you have learnt about the solar system. In this, our sun is the head. Sol means sun god, and solar means related to sun, and solar system means family of sun god. Okay, and as you know that we have 8 planets in the family of sun god. There are 8 planets. Okay. So now next is the Earth. We will read about the Earth. Earth is the third nearest planet, as you have learned that Earth is on the third place from the Sun. But in size, if we are talking about the size of the Earth, our Earth is 5th largest planet, okay, and it is slightly flattened at the poles. I have explained this point many times on globe to you that our Earth is slightly flattened on the top and slightly flattened on the bottom, and that flattened areas known as the upper known as the North Pole and bottom known as the South Pole. Okay. So our Earth is slightly flattened on the top and bottom. That is why its shape described as the geoid. Okay. Geoid means an Earth-like shape. Geoid means Earth-like shape. Okay. The geoid meaning is Earth-like shape. Now, condition favorable to support. Now, as you know, our Earth is very unique planet in all 8 planets. Okay, our Earth is very unique. Unique means very special. Why it is very unique or special? Because it has a life. It is only a planet till now. Till now means अभी तक हमारे knowledge में only our Earth is a planet which has a life. Okay. So what are the reason behind it that our Earth only has a life? Okay. Our Earth only has a life. Somebody's बेटा जो भी आप मुझे message कर रहे हो, please send your message after the lecture. It's creating create noise and disturbing me during the lecture. Send your messages after the lecture, beta, okay? Then I will see it. So our Earth is very unique because it has life. Conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on the Earth, okay? The Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. What is the reason that our Earth has a life? Because it is in the our Earth is on a perfect distance from the Sun, which gives us its which make it neither too hot nor too cold. Okay, the distance of Earth is a very perfect for a life. It makes neither too hot it, neither too cold.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta. Who is?
Ma'am, your
Beta, now your voice is not coming.
cut.
Kruti, your voice is cutting, beta. I think you have a network problem.
ओके मैम। मैम आपने जो स्क्रीनशॉट बोल कर जो फोटोज भेजने के लिए बोला था ना वो है ना?
Okay, beta. Okay, I will see after the lecture. Okay, and next time if you have to send this type of things, send after the lecture, beta. Okay, during it's create a noise. Message की जो noise आती है ना उससे lecture में बीच में problem होता है. Okay. Okay, so where we were? We are on the topic that why our earth is called unique, because it has a life, and which things make it special? Its distance from the sun. The distance from the sun of earth is very favorable for the life. It is neither too hot and nor too cold. हमारी earth का environment और temperature ऐसा है कि ना तो बहुत ही hot है और ना ही cold है. And this type of temperature is very perfect for a life. Okay, so we are surviving on our earth because of this fact, and also our earth has air and water which are very essential for our survival. Okay, and the air has life supporting gases like oxygen. In our air, on our earth we have air also, and the life supporting gas is called oxygen. Because of these reasons, the earth is a unique planet, and these are the reasons which we can say that why our earth is called the unique planet in the solar system. Okay, and from the outer space the earth appears blue because its 2/3 surface is covered by water. It is therefore called a blue planet. As I have explained you earlier that 2/3 part of our earth, one part we have land, and most of this two, if we are making the 3 part of our earth, just a minute, if we make 3 part of our earth, 2/3 are covered with water. So when we see our earth from the outer space, it appear in blue color. Okay, because it has its many parts are covered from the water. Okay, that's the reason it is called as a blue planet, because of the reflection of sky. जब पानी में और sky की reflection जाती है, so water seem blue. Okay, so this is the reason behind it. Have you any doubt till here, beta? We will read about the moon, asteroid and meteoroids in our next lecture. Till here, have you any doubt? Till here, have you any doubt, beta? बेटा लाइट की स्पीड को ईयर में काउंट किया जाता है. Have you any doubt, beta, till here? No doubt? No? Nobody has a doubt. Okay, let me take your attendance, then I will give you homework. Just a minute, beta, I'm going to take your attendance. Then I will give you homework. Nobody will leave without permission. Okay. So now your homework is, if you have any incomplete work on page number 19 and 20, you have to complete it. Okay. Page number 19 and 20. Till page number 19 and 20, you have to complete in worksheet in your homework. Okay, beta? And in our next lecture, we will read about the moon, okay, asteroid and meteoroids, and we'll complete page number 21 in our next lecture. Then we will do the let's revise and also the question and answer of textual question and answer. Okay, everyone. So now everyone, take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Okay, beta.